Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now we're at Euromotor Performance. So I keep saying this all the time. I'm not going to do anything else to the car, but obviously we're here today to do something to the car. So what I decided to do is the front is all tied in with the M Performance lip and also the carbon fiber splitters. The rear end is lacking a lot of aesthetics, so to say. So today we're here to work with Euromotor and getting a rear diffuser installed. So what I'm thinking about doing is, which I already ordered already, it came in today, check it out. Vorsteiner rear diffuser, and the reason why I went with this one because I read the forums a lot, and this is probably one of the best fitments you could have on the vehicle. Quality-wise, carbon fiber, the clear coat's not going to fade like some of the other cheaper ones. This is a design that's very copied throughout other brands out there. I'm not going to say any names because I'm not going to bash them, but I'm just saying for my build and the way I want to build my car is quality. So I'm happy to get this installed, and I'm really excited about that. But Miguel is also doing something similar too. So Miguel, I'm gonna turn the camera to you.
So Ken and I spent a lot of time debating which rear diffuser we were gonna get, and we went with a lot of different options. We narrowed it down to the Vorsteiner, and simply because we wanted something that represents the car well, that gives, give it more of an aggressive look. The rear end of the F80 is kind of, especially when you look at it from the back, that you can see that big muffler. We wanted something that covered the muffler. We wanted something that looked aggressive, and we wanted something that represents the car well. So we went with the Vorsteiner GTS-V version. The GTS-V version has, all the nice fins, and in addition to that, it's a one-piece. So we felt that the one-piece was a lot better for us to clean up the rear. The three-piece, you can have a little bit more adjustment on the three-piece, but the one-piece fits perfect. We're gonna get them installed, so stay tuned.
So right now we're just trying to figure out the adjustment with the tips, because that's something that you have to do because the diffuser kind of encapsulates and kind of covers it out a little bit. Miguel wanted to come here and play and hang out. Actually, no, to be honest, he actually got his car done. He had the same thing, Vorsteiner diffuser, and it looks pretty good in his car, but it's gonna look even better on my car. But you can just tell from a distance, and you can kind of see on camera right now, it looks amazing. A little bit, we'll take it outside and kind of get better beauty shots of it. All right, guys, we're all done with the install with the car. You know, we're gonna go to a different location, do some more beauty shots of the car. But my boy came here with his new car. So check that out behind me. It's a really, really classic. This is a, what year is it?
98.
It's a 1998 Toyota Supra, and it is mint. How many miles?
44,000.
44,000 miles on this Toyota Supra. It's probably like a dime a dozen out there, but it's pretty clean. Check this out. Pretty much everything's original, right? The only thing you have is HKS blow-off valve. And it was shipped down, right?
It was shipped down. I'm
Nice.
the third owner.
Third owner of the vehicle.
Second owner was the owner of the dealership, and it was out of his personal collection.
Wow, look at that mint interior. God, these seats are freaking mint.
Yep.
We're gonna have to clean it up a little bit, maybe put some conditioner. Want to keep this nice and conditioned because South Florida, the sun and stuff is gonna bake it. But it looks good, man. It smells new still for a 90s car.
Oh, yeah.
But if you guys want a full video about this car, let me know in the comments and we can make that happen. But other than that, you know, we're gonna go take some pictures of his car and also my car. Hopefully somewhere in the area. It's kind of hot now. I'm probably gonna get a nasty farmer's tan, but it just happens. But on that note, enjoy the rest of the footage. All right, guys, it's been a long day. I was at Euromore Performance for I don't know how many hours, but finally back home, showered, was drenched in sweat. But I want to thank Marlon at Euromore Performance and also Dwayne for getting those rear diffuser installed on my M3. I also want to thank Miguel for slowing down Marlon. I'm kidding. He actually helped out. You know, obviously what I'm good at is holding the camera, right? But he was helping Marlon install the rear diffuser on his car and also my car. He kind of helped sped up the process a little bit. And then just before this, I ended up shooting some photos with my friend that just bought his 1998 Toyota Supra. It's in mint condition. He's super excited. This is one of his dream cars. So I know exactly how he feels the way I feel when I bought my M3. The reaction he got, I told him he should start his own YouTube channel. So if he is, I'll let you guys know. But we'll see what happens. All right, so let me know what you guys think. Should I leave the decal on and then throw the side skirts on top of that? Or should I remove the decal and then put the side skirts? There's a lot of pros and cons with it. So one pro is obviously it's protecting my side skirts from rock chips, yada yada, all that stuff. And some people say it's a cleaner look. So what I'm gonna do too is check the forums and kind of see that visualization before I make the decision. But let me know what you guys think. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up. It really helps a small channel like myself grow. And besides that, I want to thank all the new subscribers because you guys are definitely motivating me to continue more and to make quality content. And I'm enjoying it. So I'm enjoying it. I'm having a lot of fun, and I'm having a lot of fun doing it with the BMW Invasion channel too. So if you guys haven't seen that channel, I'll link it up on top and also in the description. Besides that, I'll see you on the next one.